Hello, everyone, and welcome. In today's lesson, you will learn how to talk about yourself in English. This lesson is simple, easy, and perfect for beginners. If you feel shy, do not worry. Talking about yourself is one of the best ways to start speaking English. Why? Because you already know the information. You know your name, your age, your job, your hobbies, and your daily life. So let's practice together. First, let's start with your name. You can say, "My name is Anna," or "I'm Anna," or "Hi, I'm Anna." These are all natural and common. For example, "Hi, I'm David." "Hello, my name is Emily." "I'm Peter. Nice to meet you." Now repeat after me. "Hi, I'm Sarah." "Hello, my name is John." "I'm Michael. Nice to meet you." Very good. Now let's talk about where you are from. You can say, "I'm from Vietnam," or "I come from Vietnam." For example, "Hi, I'm Lynn. I'm from Vietnam." "My name is Carlos. I come from Mexico." "Hello, I'm Hannah. I'm from South Korea." You can also say your city. "I'm from Hanoi." "I'm from Tokyo." "I'm from a small town in India." Now repeat after me. "I'm from Vietnam." "I come from Thailand." "I'm from London." Great job. Next, let's talk about age. You can say, "I'm 18 years old," or simply, "I'm 18." For example, "Hi, I'm Emma. I'm 21 years old." "My name is Daniel, and I'm 19. "I'm Mia. I'm 24. Now repeat after me. "I'm 18 years old." "I'm 22. "I'm 30 years old." Excellent. Now let's talk about your job or your studies. You can say, "I'm a student." "I'm a teacher." "I'm a doctor." "I work in an office." "I study at university." For example, "Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm a student." "My name is Anna and I'm a teacher." "I'm Robert. I work in an office." "Hello, I'm Jenny. I study English at university." Now repeat after me. "I'm a student." "I'm a teacher." "I work in an office." "I study at university." Very nice. Now let's talk about your family. You can keep it simple. You can say, "I have a small family." "I live with my parents." "I have one brother and one sister." There are 4 people in my family. For example, "I have a small family." There are 3 people in my family. "I live with my parents and my younger sister." I have one older brother. Now repeat after me. "I have a small family." "I live with my parents." "I have one brother and one sister." Good. Now let's talk about hobbies. This is a fun part. You can say, "I like reading." "I enjoy listening to music." "I love watching movies." "I like playing football." "I enjoy cooking." For example, "Hi, I'm Min. I like listening to music and watching movies." "My name is Eva. I enjoy reading books." "I'm Noah. I love playing basketball." "Hello, I'm Julia. I like cooking and traveling." Now repeat after me. "I like reading." "I enjoy listening to music." "I love playing football." "In my free time, I like cooking." Excellent. Now let's add a little about personality. You can say, "I'm friendly." "I'm kind." "I'm shy." "I'm quiet." I'm hardworking. For example, Hi, I'm Lily. I'm friendly and kind. My name is Mark. I'm a little shy, but I'm friendly. I'm Susan. I'm hardworking and positive. Now repeat after me. I'm friendly. I'm a little shy. I'm hardworking. I'm quiet but friendly. Very good. You can also talk about your goals. For example, I want to improve my English. My dream is to become a teacher. I want to travel around the world. I hope to study abroad one day. Now repeat after me. I want to improve my English. My dream is to become a teacher. I hope to study abroad one day. Great! Now let's put everything together. Here is a simple, full introduction. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm 22 years old and I'm from Vietnam. I'm a university student. I live with my parents and my younger brother. In my free time, I like listening to music and reading books. I'm a little shy, but I'm friendly and hardworking. I'm learning English because I want to travel and meet new people. Nice to meet you. Here is another example. Hi, I'm David. I'm 19 years old and I come from Australia. I'm a student. I have a small family. I enjoy playing basketball and spending time with my friends. I'm outgoing and cheerful. I want to improve my English speaking skills. As you can see, the pattern is very easy. Name, age, country or city, job or study, family, hobbies, personality, goals. If you want a shorter introduction, that is okay too. For example, Hi, I'm Tom. I'm from Canada. I'm a student and I like playing soccer. Nice to meet you. That is already a good introduction. Before we finish, here is one final example. Hello, my name is Lisa. I'm 21 years old and I'm from the Philippines. I'm a university student. I live with my parents and my older sister. In my free time, I like listening to music, watching English videos, and reading simple books. I'm a little quiet, but I'm friendly and kind. I'm learning English because I want to speak confidently and travel in the future. Thank you for listening. So today you learned how to talk about yourself in English. Remember, you do not need perfect English. You only need simple words, clear sentences, and confidence. Practice a little every day. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and do not be afraid of mistakes. Thank you so much for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson. Bye!